Which telescope is actually good for viewing planets? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Gskyer 70mm refractor. The Gskyer telescope. This model features a 70mm aperture and a 400mm focal length, which caught my attention for being beginner-friendly at a price of $84.10. If you want a solid starter telescope that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Gskyer is designed to help you explore the night sky without overwhelming you. With its 400mm focal length and fully coated optics, you'll get bright and clear images of the moon and nearby planets. The included 3x Barlow lens triples the magnification of the eyepieces, allowing you to zoom in on those celestial wonders. Plus, it comes with a smartphone adapter, so you can capture stunning images of your finds. Now, some people complained about the stability of the tripod. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight, making it portable, but that does mean you need to be careful when setting it up on uneven surfaces. For casual stargazers or families, it's a small price to pay for the ease of use and value. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for something compact and easy to transport. Skip this one if you're planning to do serious astrophotography or need something more robust. Overall, you're getting great value for money here. Now, if the Gskyer's tripod stability concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Meezaa 90mm refractor. The Meezaa telescope, which features a 90mm aperture and an 800mm focal length, priced at $149.98. This caught my eye because it's rated as a great choice for serious beginners wanting to delve deeper into astronomy. If you want to see more details of the planets, this one's worth paying attention to. The 90mm aperture allows for more light capture, which means brighter and clearer views. With its magnification range of 32x to 240x, you can really zoom in and see the craters on the moon or the rings of Saturn. Plus, it includes a sturdy stainless steel tripod that adjusts from 28 to 46 inches, making it comfortable for all users. The carry bag is a nice touch for those stargazing trips. However, some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit confusing for first-timers. Here's the thing, once you get through the initial learning curve, many found it easy to operate and set up. It's a small hurdle for something that enhances your stargazing experience significantly. This is perfect for you if you're serious about astronomy and want a powerful tool for your observations. Skip it if you're only looking for a casual experience or are overwhelmed by settings. For the features you're getting, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tech-savvy beginners. Product number 3, Koolpte 80mm refractor. We have the Koolpte telescope. This model has an 80mm aperture and a 600mm focal length, retailing at $94.99. I was drawn to its portability and ease of use, which makes it perfect for families. If you're looking for something that's user-friendly yet effective, this might be right up your alley. The 80mm aperture and multi-coated optics ensure that you get bright images without much hassle. With 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, you can achieve magnifications up to 180x, which is impressive for this price range. Plus, it comes with a wireless remote, making it easy to capture images through your phone without needing an extra hand. However, some buyers noted that the instructions could be clearer for assembly. Honestly, that can be a bit frustrating for novices eager to jump into stargazing. But once you get it set up, the ease of use and image quality make it worthwhile. This is great for families or those who enjoy camping and want to explore the night sky. Skip this if you're a seasoned astronomer looking for advanced features. For the price and features, you'll be happy with your purchase. Now, if you're looking for something that combines tech with astronomy, the next telescope might just blow your mind.
Product number 4, Celestron StarSense Explorer. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ, priced at $229.99. This telescope stood out to me because of its innovative app support, making it super user-friendly for beginners. If you want a high-tech option that guides you through the stars, you'll want to hear more about this. This telescope features a 114mm reflector and uses patented StarSense technology, which pairs with your smartphone. It recognizes star patterns and helps you locate celestial objects easily. The app even curates a list of the best things to view based on your location, making stargazing incredibly straightforward. Plus, the 114mm aperture gives you impressive views of planets and deep sky objects. However, a few users reported that the op can lag sometimes. Here's the thing though, once you get it synced correctly, the experience is pretty seamless and enjoyable. It's a minor hiccup in an otherwise stellar product that can turn your stargazing into a fun adventure. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts who enjoy using apps to enhance their experience. Skip it if you prefer a completely manual operation or want minimal tech involved. For the convenience it offers, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're after something more portable without sacrificing quality, the final product might catch your interest.
Product number 5, Celticbird 80mm refractor. We have the Celticbird telescope with an 80mm aperture and 600mm focal length, priced at $109.99. This caught my eye due to its combination of portability and ease of use. If you want a lightweight option that still delivers quality, this is a solid choice. The Celticbird features excellent optics, capturing great light for clear images. It comes with 2 eyepieces and a moon filter, enhancing your view of the moon and planets. The adjustable tripod means that it can cater to both kids and adults, making it a family-friendly option. Plus, the carrying bag makes it easy to take on trips. Some users mentioned that the assembly instructions weren't the best. I'll be real with you, that can be a bit annoying at first. But once it's set up, the performance is impressive for casual stargazing. This is perfect for families or those who want a light and portable telescope. Skip it if you're looking for something more advanced or specialized. For what you pay, you're getting a decent telescope. So there you have it, 5 great telescopes for viewing planets. Each one has its strengths, whether you're just starting or looking for something tech-savvy. Choose what fits you best.
To wrap it up, we looked at the Gskyer for easy portability, the Meezaa for serious beginners, the Koolpte for families, the Celestron for tech lovers, and the Celticbird for a budget-friendly option. Each has unique features that cater to different needs. So whether you're a casual viewer or a budding astronomer, there's something perfect for you in this list.